At minus 71 degrees Celsius, survival is no longer a skill you learn. It becomes a decision you make every second. In this cold, hesitation is fatal. This is Yakutia, deep in Siberia, a place where winter dominates most of the year, and temperatures drop lower than anywhere else humans still choose to live. Here, nature is not an enemy. He was guiding his reindeer across the tundra, following routes his people have used for generations. Then the storm arrived. Sudden, violent, and absolute. At minus 71, exposed skin freezes in seconds. Moisture turns to ice instantly. The human body was never designed for this environment. He knows one rule better than any other. If you stop moving, your body shuts down. If your body shuts down, you don't come back. After only a few hours, the storm erases direction. Landmarks disappear. The world becomes white, loud, and disorienting. To survive, he must create shelter. Not comfort, not warmth. Just enough protection to slow death. Fire is life in Yakutia. Without it, the cold seeps into bone and thought. Keeping a flame alive in a blizzard is a battle of patience and precision. Outside the shelter, the temperature continues to fall. Minus 69, minus 70, minus 71. As night settles in, exhaustion plays tricks on the mind. The cold whispers lies. It invites sleep, and sleep here is permanent. He forces himself to stand, to move, to stay conscious. Every instinct tells him to rest. Experience tells him never to listen. Hour 24. The storm has not weakened. The wind still screams across the tundra, hunting for mistakes. Food freezes solid in this cold. There is no warmth, no comfort. Only calories. Only survival. Every movement costs energy. Every decision drains strength. He must balance motion and rest with ruthless discipline. By hour 36, frostbite begins to claim its territory. Skin loses feeling. Pain fades, which is the most dangerous sign of all. He thinks of his reindeer, his livelihood, his responsibility. They are not just animals. They are his reason to keep going. Hour 48, the wind weakens. The storm loosens its grip. The land slowly reveals itself again. He survived, not because he was stronger than the cold, but because he respected it. In Yakutia, survival is not an achievement. It is a tradition passed from generation to generation. Knowledge measured in lives saved. At minus 71 degrees Celsius, nature forgives nothing, and those who endure learn one truth above all else. Life here is never guaranteed. It is earned,